Hello, and welcome to Pet Tech Tips, where we spotlight products, troubleshoot, share unboxings, and more. Today, we are wiring an EHV unit. Unscrew the 4 screws from the back of the unit. In this example, I am preparing 3 channel wires, the common wire, and 2 power wires. Power and channel numbers are marked above each terminal. Power is separate from the channels and common wires. The number of wires can depend on your specific application. There are 2 versions of the EHV, one with 500 mm of cable attached, and one with terminals for on-site wiring. Reattach the waterproof seals before final installation. Please see the full web manual for more detailed wiring examples. The product page link can be found in the description below. Here I am wiring the brown as my common wire and each of the 3 channel wires. Separately, 24 volt DC is going to the ADP-001 power supply. Each button is for a separate channel on the EHV and plays a different sound. Thank you for watching, and please consider following us on our social media channels for more pet life tech tips. Have a great day.